Every detail, every component, meticulously crafted under one roof.
With quality control complete, the H2R is ready for packaging, storage, and dispatch. Each bike is carefully wrapped to protect its flawless finish. With quality control complete, the H2R is ready for packaging, storage, and dispatch. Each bike is carefully wrapped to protect its flawless finish.
Rolling transforms raw ingots into sheets ready for chassis fabrication. Every frame piece is cut to exact tolerances for perfect assembly. With raw materials ready, the journey to transformation begins. The journey from raw material to factory begins with careful loading. Every coil is fastened to ensure safe arrival at the facility. Even the most delicate materials travel with precision. Rubber for tires begins its long journey to the production line. Battery components are handled with extreme care. Polymers for bodywork start their controlled transit.
Materials traverse miles, moving steadily toward transformation.
Every shipment is verified before it reaches the production line.
Steel coils are positioned for the next stage of preparation.
Carbon fiber maintains its pristine condition during transfer.
Tires start forming long before assembly begins.
Sensitive materials are handled with the utmost precision.
Every item is tracked meticulously for efficient workflow.
All materials are now in place, ready for the precision of the factory floor. The heart of precision engineering awaits inside these walls.
Every entry is monitored, ensuring safety and quality.
The threshold to transformation opens. Inside, raw materials are ready to meet engineering precision.
Everything is positioned to optimize workflow and safety.
Lighting ensures clarity and precision for every task. Tracking ensures nothing is misplaced along the production path. Heavy materials arrive exactly where they are needed.
With entry complete, materials are ready for the precision of initial cleaning and sorting. Every aluminum piece begins with meticulous cleaning.
Surface inspection ensures material integrity before processing. Even delicate carbon fiber demands gentle, precise cleaning.
Tires start clean, ready for shaping and curing.
Polymers are verified before entering molding lines.
Automated sorting streamlines workflow efficiently.
Precision adjustments ensure each component follows its correct path.
Clean metal surfaces are essential for flawless machining.
Surface perfection is critical for the H2R's structural components.
Even the smallest particles are removed for ultimate performance. Drying prepares rubber for molding and tire production. Every piece is logged to maintain a precise production record.
Defective components are removed immediately to prevent flaws downstream.
With materials clean and sorted, the journey toward transformation begins. The backbone of the H2R begins with precision milling of aluminum.
Each cut is calculated to micrometer accuracy. Steel provides strength where every growl counts.
Carbon fiber transforms into high-performance body panels.
Tire materials are shaped precisely for performance molding.
Power systems are carefully assembled for efficiency. Fairings and body panels start to take shape under heat and pressure.
Panels are inspected to meet high aerodynamic standards.
Energy systems undergo rigorous testing before integration.
Resin hardens into durable panels with flawless finish.
Precision ensures every chassis is ready for high-speed performance.
Components are staged efficiently for rapid assembly.
Aerodynamic parts await final finishing touches.
Every tire must be perfect before curing.
With core components ready, transformation into the Kawasaki Ninja H2R can begin.
Strength and precision are combined at every junction.
Suspension systems are installed to exact specifications. The heart of the H2R prepares to meet its frame.
Every bolt ensures stability under extreme performance.
Aerodynamics and aesthetics meet precision engineering.
Every system is integrated to enhance speed and power.
The H2R starts to take the form of a true racing machine.
Electrical systems interconnect to bring every component to life.
Outer bodywork is fastened, defining the H2R's sleek lines.
Every subassembly is verified before final transformation.
With main systems integrated, the Kawasaki Ninja H2R enters the realm of precision finishing. Every bolt.
Engines are scanned for peak performance readiness. Cooling systems undergo automated performance validation. Drive systems are optimized automatically for maximum performance.
Each H2R is uniquely marked for authenticity.
Every system is aligned with robotic precision.
Skilled eyes oversee automation to guarantee perfection.
With automation complete, each H2R moves closer to perfection. Every panel is aligned with laser precision for flawless aerodynamics.
Final fasteners ensure structural integrity under extreme performance.
Every weld is refined to ensure peak performance and safety.
Engine tuning ensures maximum power and reliability.
Brakes are tested meticulously for rider safety and reliability.
Every final adjustment is verified before entering the last stage.
Laser systems verify millimeter-precise alignment across all components.
Frames are tested to withstand extreme forces and high-speed conditions.
Brakes are tested to guarantee maximum stopping power.
Every engine is tuned and tested to achieve peak horsepower. Electronic systems are verified for accuracy and reliability. Cooling systems are tested to ensure optimal engine temperature management. Tires are checked for perfect balance and uniform performance. Suspension is calibrated to deliver exceptional handling.
Every fluid connection is tested for complete reliability.
Dimensions are confirmed to match factory standards exactly. Every sensor and display is tested for accurate functionality.
Each Kawasaki Ninja H2R receives final quality approval.
With quality control complete, the H2R is ready for packaging, storage, and dispatch. Each bike is carefully wrapped to protect its flawless finish.
Shipment vehicles are loaded and ready for delivery.
The facility hums with activity as production concludes.
And this is how modern factories produce Kawasaki Ninja H2R from start to finish.
Every detail, every component, meticulously crafted under one roof.
Precision, performance, and passion converge to create engineering marvels.